Alright, this is a CF card slot. Not a repair, more of a swap, because this previous camera broken. It's a Canon Mark III EOS 5D, and we're going to be replacing it today. Now first off, I wrote a little diagram to try and let me know exactly where all the screws are going to be placed back. This is actually my first one I've ever done. You want to start off with the first screw, which is located here. I don't know if you can tell, right here, which is that section. It's just one. When you lift up this little plastic thing right here, I don't know if you can see, there's no screws in that, except for maybe one, but I don't think it's removed. Then you have 3 screws on the bottom, and then you have this hidden one under the grip here, which there's 2. They're pretty much back to back. One's black, one's white, as indicated here. And the rest of them I'm just gonna have to find them as I go, because I really don't know where they are. Could be one here, maybe. I'm not sure, but see how it goes. It's probably gonna be time lapse, so bear with me here. Another one right under the grip here. Let's get those 4 that are on the bottom.